Let me show you the difference between a 13.1, a 13.2, and a 13.3. Can everybody see my screen? Watch these, okay? You see how a 1 is very aggressive. Every time it makes a directional change, they're all over the place. Do you see them? That's a 1. Now watch when I flip to a 2. See the difference? Now watch when I go to a 3. A 3 is like, hey man, we're not ready to shift yet. Watch a 3. Look, they're gone. It doesn't tell you to sell yet. See it? It allows a bigger move. That's why I think this 2 is pretty spot on. And I don't like the 1 because it's like every little micro movement, right? You see that?
Nice.
So
Good.
that's what we've been playing with as far as like what is a good indication of a directional change without it being too much and then, you know, blowing us up when you shouldn't have. Which this is a good entry and that's a good exit, right?
Thanks, Coach.
That was a good exit, that was a good entry. So but that's what we've been fooling around with. And David's been helping me with that. This is kind of helping the directional changes and what it's doing. And you can see now too that the super trend is more closely directly related to our Elliott wave oscillator. Do you see them? These are much closer to our targets now. Can you guys see this?
Yeah, it actually communicates with it. It's basically telling you, hey, on that second green candle,
Yeah.
right in the same area.
Yep. It's very close now, right?
What were the numbers, Coach? I missed it.
13 and 2.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. So start fooling around with that and see if you guys like it.